So my name is Chimabi Chumkame Haji, here to present the benefit of digital transformation to Rebel Lot's financial and accounting company. To begin the presentation, we'll go through the overview of what we have in the presentation. We'll look at the aim, the proposal assumption, the concept, the benefit of digital transformation, the value it's going to add, the risks, the impact on culture, the possibility of cultural shift, the score balance used, the benefit of digital transformation, and also the term challenges, and most importantly, the recommendations made to rebel lords. First of all, what's the aim of the proposal? Is to explain in details the benefit of digital transformation to rebel lords, how it would transform its paper-based operation to a digital or automated-based operation. The assumption made in the proposal includes uh, understanding that it's most majority of its clients are based in Vancouver. Secondly, it generates most of its income from or all its incomes from accounting and financial services. Thirdly, it holds a staff strength of 30 staff, ranging from its manager to the janitors to consultant or part-time accounting consultants. The firm has a culture in which the CEO makes all the decisions. The mode of operation currently is paper-based with minimal digital data tools, and zero cloud-based storage facilities. The concept of digital transformation. Now, what is the concept? It simply means taking from analog to digital, creating a change from paper-based operation to a network of systems that breaks the barrier or the difficulty of doing business and also increasing customer satisfaction through providing of tailored customer experiences. Now, to explain the concept, I would like to look at the division provided by Ishmael, which is digital transformation is the process through which organizations combine digital tools to enhance a spread or through an enhanced spread of computer devices. It is important to take into note that there's a clear difference between digital transformation and business transformation. Digital transformation entails the rewiring of the minds of the employees to be able to accept and adopt new things and new changes that will benefit the organization in the long run. So it is a consistent, continuous effort to change how employees approach their work, while business transformation just entails the change of behavior. And once the change of behavior is bettered, it stops there. Now, what are the values it offers to rebel lords? First of all, the values can be divided into tangible and intangible. For the tangible value, it offers its customer or it will offer its customer a tailor-based experience where each customer needs is met according to the customer's desires and wants. Most importantly, it's going to reduce the manual process by automation of the same process, which would also reduce the possibility of human occurring error. The intangible value entails increasing the employee work satisfaction, thereby creating a high level of employee satisfaction by reducing the burden of tedious tasks through simplifying the work flow. What are the risks associated with digital transformation? It's important to realize that there are primarily five risks, which is the loss of human empathy, over dependence on AI, loss of certain jobs or the redundancy of certain jobs and resistance of employee to adopting it. It's initially capital intensive at start. It increases the firm to possible cyber breaches if the right cyber security tools are not put in place. What will be the impact on digital transformation on rebel lords culture? Currently, we know that the culture is not open to change. So it's going to impact by creating a flexibility and openness of mind amongst the employees, invariably transforming the present culture to that of accepting a tech forward, innovative thinking culture. Now, the cultural shift digital transformation presents can be divided into four aspects. The first of which is the continuous creative thinking mentality, in which the personnel change how they approach their work by employing digital tools to provide solutions to challenges. Number two, modify the workplace dynamics by allowing staff to be located in different places to work for different organizations. For example, the work from home model, which we now see after the COVID. Number three, employee independence and empowerment. It will create a conference through which ideas are exchanged amongst employees and CEOs without restriction or without misconstruing the ideas of the employees. Finally, acceptance of creativity. It will transform or it will cause a cultural shift in rebel lords in which they become a tech-forward thinking organization and approaching their solutions with digital tools. Now, let's look at the scorecard for analyzing the challenges in adopting digital transformation. For this, we'll use the Kaplan and Norton balance sheet. This has four perspectives, sorry. The financial perspective. What are the challenges with this? Does the adoption hold economical value? What will be the solution to demonstrate a long-term benefit in increase of ROI and long-term saving costs? Secondly, the customer's perspective. Will the customer be willing to accept this? Will the employees see this as beneficial to the customer? What's the solution? Educate the customer. Number three, internal business process perspective. What will be the challenges? The employees might be resistant to accept the ideas because they might not think it will benefit their customer. What will be the solution? Retraining of employees on the benefit of digital tools and its operation. Finally, the learning and growth perspective. Employees will definitely resist it at first, but how do we mitigate against this? By creating a culture that fosters continuous creative thinking through incentive. What are the benefits of digital transformation? The benefits of digital transformation are numerous, but for this presentation, we'll focus on five, which is increased operational efficiency, increased profitability, improve data analysis and interpretation, personalized customer experience, and advanced security feature that would give Rebel Lords a competitive edge in the business. Now, let's look at the term challenges. The term challenges has to do with two things: the perceived usefulness and also the perceived ease of use. The perceived usefulness has to do with the resistance of an employee. Why would the employee resist the adoption of digital tools to Rebel Lord? Secondly, would this, that is the perceived ease of use, would this be easy to use? In addition to the terms challenges, sometimes social influence and age can also prove to be challenging or prove as a point of resistance for the adoption of digital tools. My recommendation to Rebel Laws would include the implementation of digital transformation should be done in stages, starting with the accounting and essential data management. Secondly, the state implementation should be clear. There should be a roadmap outlining the goals, vision, and structure approach must be communicated to all employees and even the customers in some cases. A technical audit should be carried out to assess the current existing technical infrastructure in Rebel Lord and to ascertain what will be needed to be added to improve on the digital transformation process. Finally, employees should be trained and retrained on the benefit of digital tools, and also the customer should also be trained and educated on the benefit of allowing Rebel Lord go into adoption of digital transformation, which will include providing a personalized tailor services. In conclusion, the adoption of digital transformation by Rebel Lord will not only increase profit, but give employee work satisfaction, increase efficiency, eliminate data discrepancy, and cut down on waste time.